Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for camping destinations on the Recreation.gov application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the Explore button down below and then click on Camping and Lodging in the Find Your Next Adventure section. Then you should enter your destination. Here you can find the results. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. Here you can see the pictures attached at the top of the page. You can check them out. As you scroll down, you can see the details in the middle of the screen. Here you can find them: season and booking, fees and cancellations, facility information, and basically all the relevant information, so you can check out the available dates and the reviews as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.